Hey guys, in this video I will tell you how you can add tap or seek to reveal story on your Instagram account. So first of all, let's understand what exactly this feature is. When you post a story using new frame sticker on your Instagram account, all your friends and followers who want to see the hidden picture of your story need to tap on the picture or shake their phone. After that, the story picture will be revealed to them. So let's learn how to add tap or seek to reveal story in your Instagram account. So first of all, open your Instagram account and tap on the story put option. Simply tap on the plus option, and after that, friends, you have to tap on the camera option like I am tapping on the camera option. Here tap on the create option. Then friends, simply tap on the sticker option, and here you will find a new option called frames. Simply tap on frames option, and after that, guys, select a picture which you want to put in your story by using frame sticker. Like I will choose this picture, and friends, after that you can also put and write a caption like I am tapping on this caption hello. Simply I will put hello and simply tap on your story option and put this story. After that, if your followers want to see the picture, they need to tap or shake to reveal to see your story picture. So friends, if you have any question, feel free to comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and latest videos on social media.